Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm making sofrito. Sofrito is the basis of all Latino cooking, so follow me for the steps. Sofrito's three main ingredients are peppers, onions, and garlic. And if you put cilantro or culantro in it, it changes the flavor. I'm just rough chopping the peppers because I'm going to put them in my, normally when I make sofrito, I put it in my blender, the big blender. But I'm putting it in my it's not a NutriBullet, but something like a NutriBullet, where I make my shakes at, or my smoothies. And I'm not making a lot of sofrito. I'm just making a small amount. I'm just making a small amount today. I don't have that many peppers, number one, so I can't make a big batch of it. So, and before anybody says anything about my chopping, I'm not a chef. I'm just a person that loves to cook, and so maybe one day I'll take a class on how to chop correctly. And this is just for a kick of, I don't want the whole, this is hot, so I just want a little bit of it for a little heat. Because normally I make it sweet, all sweet peppers. So I'm just going to throw a little of that in there. And my onion. Let me slide this over here. My onion. So I'm gonna rough chop. I'm rough chopping everything because everything's gonna get blended in the my smoothie maker. Alright. And this is like the quick way to do things tonight. I'm kind of want to get out of the kitchen. Like always. I love to cook, but I hate being in the kitchen for a long time. What else am I missing? Let's see here. This one. Yeah, I hate being in the kitchen. Okay, and this is the last one. And when you make sofrito, a variety of peppers is good because it gives your sofrito a good flavor. Okay, so I'm almost there, and let me just rip this off like that. There we go. All right, so I'm gonna start making the, and I hope this works because I never did it in the machine that I make my my smoothies. So let's see how that goes. All right, so I'm going to start putting them inside here. I'm gonna try to break them up as small as I can. Make it a little easier on the machine. Maybe I should have did these onions a little smaller. Oh, I didn't do my, I forgot my garlic. Yeah, I have to add the garlic in here. some of that onion I think I'm gonna save. So yeah, I have to add my garlic. The one thing about the garlic is small, so I don't even have to chop that. I can just throw it in there. Let me see if I can make this small. Alright guys. And I think I should put some water, a little bit of water into it, because it probably will make it a lot easier to blend this all up. The cilantro I think I should do last when the peppers and everything are blend together. Okay, so let me get my my garlic. Alright, so I'm just gonna take off the ends. I'm gonna take off the ends and just throw them in. And if this way works today, this is the way I might be making this. So let's just see. Okay. Here we go. Okay, so this should be ready. Let me move this over here. Oh, this is hard to open. Okay, got it. I can put this in the sink. And this I'm going to pour into here. Oh, it came out pretty decent. Yeah, it came out pretty decent. I guess I will be making my sofrito in this smoothie machine. Alright. So this is what it looks like. Not bad. For the first time making it like that. Alright, so I'm going to get a top for this. I mean, it's a little watery, but, and I really don't like mine's watery, but this is going to settle down. The peppers and everything are going to settle down, and then it's going to get a little thicker. So this is my sofrito, and this is well, I mean, it's a lot thinner than I wanted it to be, but I guess it's because I put water in it. But this will work. This will work. So in the meantime, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover it up and put this away for later. Thank you guys for taking the time out to watch me make this video. Please stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Have a good day. God bless.